standard of the event so that we can easily conduct that long video conferencing session. So we have started the things, managing the things, testing it, testing the network, testing the available VC set, infrastructure, as well as requesting them, please, if you can arrange up to that level so that it can help a lot to execute the things. So, sir, my first suggestion that if it is possible to take in board the VC team in future, so that when you are finalizing the colleges for that event, so at least we must ensure that there is fundamental required VC setup is there. Otherwise, in 11th hour, it creates lots of difficulty for managing the events. Uh, Second thing that since we were not directly associated and in contact with the college, so we were not able to direct contact to the the holding officers in the colleges. So we were talking to the either some middle level people. So we were not able to communicate our really hardly needed requirements to the officers, and so it creates a lots of trouble. We realize. And thirdly, sir, what we expect that most of the things were not clear. But in our side, might be you people were aware each and everything. But for example, whether chairman person will talk, address the conference or not, that was in diocese situation. Similar things were also there. So because in that kind of people keep on executing such kind of events for prime ministers, for presidents, so we have that kind of experience. So definitely we must have that kind of defined setup and defined set of steps so that we can execute things in future. So at the end, I want to thanks to you people to giving this opportunity when I see to conduct, and definitely we are really thankful to you for this opportunity. Thank you.